Friends, Hari Prasad is back with another lecture on soft skills. Today's topic for discussion is key mantra of success. What is key mantra? Let us see. No, this message I don't want to read out. Complicated message. Next, coming to the topic. Purpose of presentation is to inform, influence and inspire. To make your presentation a success, you work on your soft skills like communication skills, voice quality, body language, textual knowledge, stage fright, punctuality, time management. Presentation will help you master more, hence it is key mantra of success. Companies are on the lookout for competent professionals having better soft skills besides their technical expertise. Message. Good morning. Good morning. Let us see what is good morning. Grapes, orange, sapota, dates, mango, pomegranate, strawberry, watermelon, pineapple, banana, guava. Have a fruity day. Take all the thickened letters, you get good morning. The letters in the brackets, if you take now, that you get good morning. Have a fruity day. Coming to the topic, soft skills complement hard skills. Presentation skills are required by all. Presentation skills are one of the soft skills. I am discussing soft skills one by one. Presentation skills also one of soft skills. Through presentation skills, you can communicate to a large number of people. Presentation skills as well as communication skills go hand in hand. Speaking skill is an asset in any profession. Success of speaker depends on personality and voice. Voice and words should be audible. Conclusion of the speech creates the final impression on the minds of the listeners. Factors important for presentation. Basic elements of an effective presentation are 4 P's. Satirical message. Mrs. and Mr. Sambar Chutney invites you for the wedding of their grandson Masala Dosa, son of Sada Dosa with Pani Puri, daughter of Bhel Puri on 14/12/2021 at Vada Hall, Samosa Building, Chapati Road, opposite Noodles Theatre, Rasagulla Nagar, Biryani Post, Upma District, Paratha State. After message, let's come to the topic. 4 P's in presentation. Number 1 is planning. Plan material well in advance. Convey lot of information in a limited time. Purpose of the presentation is to inform, persuade and demonstrate. Analyze audience. Number 2, preparing. Preparing for presentation involves developing central idea, main points and planning visual aids. Always remember the acronym KISS, which means keep it simple and short. Presentation should have key message. Key message should be conveyed in the first 2 minutes of your talk. Number 3, practicing. Rehearse before a live audience. To make your presentation, you should go slowly and pause appropriately between important points. Number 4, presenting. Presentation can be delivered 3 delivery methods. 1. Memorizing method. Memorize entire presentation and present it from memory. This method may lack interaction with audience. Number 2. Reading method. Use this method when presentation is written out and delivered by reading from the script. Message. Think gently. Talk simply. Laugh loudly. Work smartly. Love sincerely. Feel freely. Read slowly. SMS monthly. After message, now coming to the third point, outlining method. Presentation with the help of delivery notes. This method makes the speaking familiar with his message. On message, in birth I want a mother. In childhood I want a father. In school I want a good teacher. In life I want fill in the blank. That blank should be friend. Coming to the topic, use positive words. Avoid words like but, try, maybe, etc. Lay stress on those words that effectively highlight the key expression of the theme. Pitch of the voice should be high and low as per the nature of the text. Clarity in the articulation. Positive sounds should come at the end of each word. People do take interest in loudness, hence use loud voice. Before closing this lecture, I will give you 3 rules for success. Number 1, trust your brain. Number 2, trust yourself. Number 3, trust Hari Prasad. You can become winner in life. Thank you. Carpe diem.